Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and welcome back to a How to Kill a Kit with Style collaboration. Today is the February 2020 Kill a Kit and Layout Share video. So this is the end of February's, How to Kill a Kit with Style run. But I will say this might be my best run ever. This is probably the first time I've come in this close to ever finishing a kit ever. How to Kill a Kit with Style, any other kit I've ever used. And I'm really, really grateful that I got to work with Wild Hair Kits this month to be their guest designer. So I shared a lot of projects over there and on Instagram and, just use this kit to the bone. So I'm going to share with you guys what's left. And then I'm also going to share with you guys the layouts I've created. So to get started, ephemera. I only have 10 pieces of the pink paisley Paige Evans Truly Grateful ephemera out of the 40. There were some mistakes in here though, so I got doubles of a couple, so that means I'm missing a few, so I definitely didn't have this cute banner that says See the Beauty in Everything. And there was another one I didn't get. Maybe it was... No, I definitely got two of these, and I believe I got two of those. Got one of those. I got two of this Butter of Life for sure, because I've used it on two layouts, which you guys will see. I don't think I got this Bluebird, now that I think about it, but these is the lovely ephemera pack. Really enjoyed using that. One thing I completely killed was this Bramble Fox acrylic set. So, to be honest, I don't remember how many were in here, but I had like several small hearts and then a large Hello script piece, but we did finish those, so like look how cute this packaging is though. This could be a card. Guys, I think I might make this into a card and send it off to a lovely friend. Why not? I used a bunch of the enamel dots from the Willow collection from One Canoe 2, so the pinks and neutrals are gone. A couple more mint left though, so we'll have to see if we can continue with those. But then I have these classic like Christmas tree colors left, so thought that was kind of funny. Let's see, now we only have 5 stickers left from the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Truly Grateful. The puffy stickers, so cute. I used a bunch of these Pink Fresh Studio free stickers. Like, let's see, there were 81 before. I probably used, I don't know, definitely not half, because like this isn't even close to being empty, but maybe a 5th of these, which I think is pretty good. I could probably count if I really wanted to. 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, I can't see the lines, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24-ish. So that's pretty good. Then we have my Freckled Fawn Black Alpha. I used this on 2 pages, I believe. Maybe, nope, I think just 2, but really love this. A great basic to have. Here are my thickers that are left from the Truly Grateful collection. This is probably the most stickers I've used in some time. I think I've completed maybe 1 thicker set, maybe 2 in my lifetime of thickering. So that's pretty good that there's only this many left. I mean, now there's only like 5 title options, so that's impressive. So for embellishments, we really killed it, in my opinion. Lots still to be done with this, but here are the scraps I have left. To be honest, I don't remember how many papers I started with. At least 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the strawberry paper, which is the same as this one. Yeah, okay. So those are the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I had at least the photography paper, 7. You guys will see those when we go through them all, but had quite a few 12 by 12 papers. Now I do have one left, and it's actually this vellum piece, but I do have plans for this, so I just didn't get to it this month, but I do want to use it. So in terms of killing a kit, I'm going to say this kit is killed. But wait, there's more. You guys will find out more March 1st when the new kit goes live, but you'll be seeing some more of these items. That's all I'm going to say. And I will say there are some discrepancies between what you're seeing here and what you'll see in the March video because they were filmed out of order. I did film the kit share before I filmed the Kill a Kit, so I might have used a couple more things than you'll see in the March kit. So I didn't, it's kind of like going back in time. You'll see some stickers that I say, oh, I have to use these, but don't worry, I'm not going to. They're already gone. So we did a great job at killing the kit. Now, I'm going to be sharing a bunch of layouts. Now, some of these don't use, everything from the kit, but they use elements from the kit, so I thought I'd share them. This is a big pile. First off is this pocket page. I used this sticker from the Paige Evans kit. Other than that, nothing. That's the only thing. So this was part of the Disney goal that I have to finish my Disney 2016 album. So there you go. Another page done for that. So one pocket page. This was the first 12 by 12 I made with my kit. I love how this one turned out. I just have to have the journaling and the date and all that, but this is for my 2016 album as well. So we are on a roll getting those cruise pages done. This was actually part of 6x6 Fix with Crafty Maggie. Nothing from my kit made it onto this layout. To be honest, if I had used more of my kit on more layouts, I would have not had enough full layouts using my kit to suffice throughout the entire, month. So I'm kind of glad I did a couple that were outside, but I wanted to share this anyway. And I'll have all the process videos linked down below. Most of them are in playlists, so there'll be a February 2020 kit, or How to Kill a Kit with Style playlist that'll have all of the layouts that use part of my kit in it on that playlist. So be sure to check that out. I also have my 6x6 Fix series links down below, and then a couple more series which you'll see in this. Here we have this was actually went up on the Wild Hair Kits blog. I really love how this turned out, and this is part of my DC album. This was so many die cuts and so much fun. This was a Patreon video, so this is a real-time exclusive for them. So if you guys are interested in getting more process videos or more videos in general, or early access to videos even, if you're on a smaller budget and can't afford some of my other tiers, definitely check out my Patreon. I'll have it linked down below. I've had a couple new joiners this month, and I can't believe it's growing, and I'm really excited to keep sharing everything with you. But here's where I used a big chunk of those phrase stickers, and I went over some different examples for what you can do with them in that video over on Patreon. Next up is more Disney pages, but the wrong trip. So I actually dived into my March 2017 trip because I do have these photos printed, and I knew of these particular ones that would go well with this particular background. So I pulled these out. I adore this one. And you guys saw this process video hopefully pop up on your subscription feed. This is 2017 as well, but this one is Patreon real time again. So I used that beautiful background here, which I believe is the strawberry paper. So this is the Dear Lizzie paper. This one, I honestly don't know. It's been a while since I did the kit share where I listed out all the names of them, but I had fun with this one and making my own title and all of that stuff. So another Disney page done. This is outside of my kit, but this was for the Multi-Photo Monday collab, which was the last one for a little bit. We're taking a break from that collab, but I do adore the gold and pink, that blush tone color that just works so well with my DC photos. So another DC layout done, and I'm pretty sure I'm pretty close to finishing that album. I have to go through because I did get some doubles printed so I could do some non-DC pages with those cute photos that we've taken there. This one went up pretty recently. This is using my scraps. So these were all scrap pieces left from my How to Kill a Kit with Style for February. And you can see my photos aren't matted. I used that last acrylic and these ones over here that are so, so cute from Bramble Fox. But I love how this one came out. And I did a little bit of mixed media, some stamping too. So that was a good one. Here we have my a couple pages from a live stream. So I do live streams for one of my tiers on Patreon, and we got 2 layouts done. I actually did this last night by the way I'm filming these, but so I just did these and I'm really happy with how they turned out. This is actually a 2019 Disney page, so I have that here, and it's also a scrap lift from a lovely lady on Instagram, and if I can remember, I'll have her profile linked down below so you guys can follow her. Her name, I believe, is Christine. I think it's CM Bell, and then there's some numbers after it, but I'd love to show you guys her work. It is amazing, and that's where I got this scrap lift from. And this was the other page I created during the live stream, and this might be a sneak peek at next month's kit, so we're going to pass that one along. But you can check those out over on Patreon if you're interested. Now this one's not listed anywhere yet, but I did film a process video for it. I used the exclusive cut file for Wild Hair Kits on this page, despite it not including anything else from the kit. I was just inspired by my video that I made for my 2020 Creative Reset series, talking about how to make your craft supplies work for you, and this was a kit I made using scraps. So I used it, made a 12-inch page by it, even though it's not all, it's not all one piece of paper. They're just layered together to equal 12 inches, and then, I made a layout out of it. So this will be coming out soon. Not sure where or when, but it'll make it out there eventually. And then we have a couple things that are out of order, of course. This was an earlier live stream this month. I had 2 live streams for my patrons this month. This is a Traveler's Notebook spread, again, getting that Disney stuff done. This is another 2019 sort of focus, though, but another Traveler's Notebook spread done, so I'm happy with that. This next one's for 6x6 Fix as well. By the time I'm filming this, it hasn't come out yet, but I had fun making it. So I hope you guys enjoyed 6x6 Fix this month. We'll be doing some more next month. But again, nothing for my kit in this one. Same with this one. This is for the Stamping for Scrapbookers series, which again, this hasn't come out yet by the time I'm filming this, but by the time you're watching it, it has. So go check this out if you're interested in watching me stamp a bunch and see our theme for the month, because that's always fun. And that's a 2017 spread. And here is my stamping spread for the, I know there's a lot of series going on right now, but this is the Stamp With Me episode 3. So I did some stamping on this one, and again, using scraps. And I talk about that in a Patreon episode. The mini class for my patrons this month is about refreshing your kit. So there's a lot going on, and a lot of my stuff overlaps, but I'm excited to add some journaling to these pages, and I'd love to know which one was your favorite, because I know not all of you go to Patreon and not all of you get to watch the series, and a lot of you watch these to get some more inspiration in terms of, you know, all at once instead of one process video at a time. So if we tally it up here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then this Traveler's Notebook would be 16 spreads technically done this month, which is good. I think I hit 14 last month, and I did have some cards as well. Most of them I mailed out because they were Valentine's Day, but I do have this one left because it's just a little thank you card, and this is from a Lawn Fawn note card set that I just decorated the front of. So I did do a couple cards, I think 6 cards this month as of right now, but like I said, I am filming quite a bit ahead of schedule because I'm traveling for work and doing all sorts of busy things. So this was my February 2020 Kill a Kit video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just realized these were backwards. They go like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out everyone that's linked down below. There were some great project shares this month and some great projects I've already seen. So you guys need to check them out. Linked down below. So I'll have all the How to Kill a Kit with Style participants linked down below. I'll have my February 2020 How to Kill a Kit with Style Kill a Kit playlist, or just a regular playlist linked down below. It's all the process videos that are coordinating with my kit. I'll have my Designing Disney process playlist linked down below, 6x6 Fix, Stamp With Me, Scrapbook, Stamping for Scrapbookers, and I think that's all of them. Let's hope. But everything you could need is linked down below, and I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys again on March 1st for the kit share because it is going to be exciting. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye, guys!